In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with essential strategies for leveraging LinkedIn to generate more leads. When used effectively, LinkedIn is a great prospecting and lead generating tool for businesses. With the right system and strategies, you can create quality leads for your business using the top professional networking platform online. Here are 5 key strategies for leveraging LinkedIn to generate leads for your business. Maintain a quality profile. Your profile on LinkedIn is your digital business card and interactive resume. It is typically the first place that new businesses will go to research and connect with a new prospect. It is essential that your LinkedIn profile contains a quality headshot and compelling headline, your experience and education, and a background image. Publish quality content. It is vital that you strategically consider the kind of content you post on LinkedIn. You want to make sure you use a mix of curated and organic material that is relevant to your target audience. Don't post anything that will detract from the professional image that you are trying to establish. Be sociable. LinkedIn is a professional social network, so if you want to generate more leads, then you need to be sociable and connect with other people. You need to be genuine in your communication with others and be sure to avoid using the default LinkedIn text. Leverage LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you are serious about utilizing LinkedIn as a business tool, then you must upgrade to their Sales Navigator tool. This level of access will equip you with a myriad of tools to help you find, follow, and connect with key prospects. Develop a strategy and stick with it. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as a business professional with LinkedIn is not having a solid strategy to generate leads. Some of the most common mistakes are publishing poor content, helicoptering in and out, setting unrealistic expectations, and using the standard LinkedIn text. Having a solid strategy for connecting with prospects and getting them to convert to paying customers is essential if you want to utilize LinkedIn to generate more leads successfully. LinkedIn is just a tool that you can utilize to help your business grow. Your ability to manage it will directly impact the results you get. There is no shortcut or secret ingredient for generating more leads on LinkedIn. Like most of your efforts, it will take time and energy to leverage it to your advantage. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best ways to increase highly targeted leads for your business in LinkedIn. LinkedIn has become a powerhouse when it comes to finding highly targeted leads for businesses. It boasts the highest average household income over any of the other major social networking sites, and nearly 45% of all users are business decision makers. This makes it the #1 place you should be spending your time if you want to attract the best leads to your business. Here are the best ways you can use LinkedIn to increase highly targeted leads to your business. Be specific. The key ingredient to getting more leads with LinkedIn is specificity. If you don't tell people who you are, what you do, and how you can help them, then you will confuse those who find your profile. You have to be specific with your headline, current and past work experiences, specialties, and summary. This will allow others to know exactly how you can help them. Be creative. If you want to separate yourself from the pack, you have to get creative with your profile. Consider adding a video that will play automatically when people find your profile. You can add a welcome to my profile video or a video of one of your clients praising your business, providing you with a great testimonial. Ask to connect. If you want more leads, ask for them. When someone lands on your profile that you don't want to leave because you haven't been able to give them a call to action because they got bored, let them know in your summary that you would love to connect. You should also take the initiative and reach out and connect with everyone. Add contact info. While it's great to connect on LinkedIn, it's even better to connect via phone or email. In your summary, make sure you are directing people to the contact page on your website, or add your direct line to have them reach you in real time. Offer to provide them with a free 15-minute phone consultation to get a boost in leads that will start flooding in. It doesn't matter what kind of business you're in, LinkedIn is the best way to attract leads when it comes to new customers, business partners, investors, affiliates, sponsors, and more. Just spend 20 minutes implementing these points and you will be amazed at the results. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the best ways you can use LinkedIn to promote your business and increase sales. LinkedIn has become a robust social media platform for connecting professionals all over the globe. While many people associate it with finding new jobs and advancing their career, it can also be a valuable tool for businesses to expand their network and increase sales. Here are the best ways to help you gain more traction on LinkedIn. Highlight your business on your profile. Your personal profile can still be a potent tool that can help you promote your business. LinkedIn provides you with the opportunity to present yourself as the person behind the company and build a professional reputation. If you want to increase sales, make sure that your personal profile includes links to your business website and details your business activities. Frequently update. With your company page, make sure to post news and updates to inform your professional community about the recent developments of your business. It is essential that you do this often and strategically. Include relevant updates like recently completed projects, new cooperation, creative tips, and new features and products. Use high-quality visuals. Everything from your logo to your profile image needs to be high quality. You want to take advantage of the limited freedom that LinkedIn offers in regards to the visuals you place on your company page. When you post updates, be sure to edit the images that are shown with it to make the most out of your visual content. Participate in groups. To promote your business, you need to be active in existing groups and interact with others. Make sure that you are providing valuable insight when you engage in conversations and avoid spamming the groups with posts about your business. You want to be able to create an actual conversation with others that creates real ties. If you can't find a group to participate in, consider starting a group that revolves around your specific interests. Interact with your network. Despite having a more professional focus, LinkedIn is still a social platform, which means you need to engage with other people if you want to be successful. LinkedIn will help you connect and interact with the right people by providing you with circles of connectivity. Like any other marketing channel, you need to make an effort to understand how LinkedIn can best work for you. If you want to see real results, learn about the features and tools available and implement these best practices in your LinkedIn marketing strategy. In this presentation, I'm going to present to you the top 5 strategies for using LinkedIn ads to generate more traffic for your business. In the paid advertising ecosystem, LinkedIn is extremely underutilized, especially considering that 79% of B2B marketers say LinkedIn is an effective way to generate leads for their business. When used correctly, LinkedIn can create a world of opportunity. Here are 5 strategies for using LinkedIn ads to generate more leads. Utilize targeting options. LinkedIn paid advertising offers users advanced targeting features. This makes it easy for you to target your ideal audience by current and past job roles, job titles, job functions, and schools, just to name a few. Utilizing the targeting option feature in LinkedIn can give you more confidence that the right prospects are seeing your ads. Run ads from your company page. The first set of LinkedIn ads you run can be done from your company page. This means that you need to make sure that you correctly set up your company page. This includes making sure that all the key fields are completed, and it should be search engine optimized to help reduce your ad spend. Know your perfect profile prospect. You have to have clarity around your audience. While the targeting of LinkedIn ads is relatively comprehensive, if you want it to work correctly, you have to have clarity around who you want your ads to target. The more targeted your audience is, the stronger return on investment that you will see. Develop strong content. You need to develop strong content for your ad, including both text and images. You might need to also create content for the specific ad offer. If your ad directs traffic to a landing page, then you will want to make sure that your landing page reflects the particular advertisement. Including images, according to a LinkedIn report, will lift your click-through rate by 20%, so make sure all your ads include at least one image. Know your projection and budget. Knowing your budget and projections means knowing your total ad costs and how that converts to your total cost for customer acquisition. If you know what you are trying to achieve, it will be much easier to calculate success down the road. To determine which ads are better return on your investment, consider using split test ads to see which works best. LinkedIn ads provide businesses with opportunity to target their advertising to their ideal audiences. Incorporate these 5 strategies into your LinkedIn advertising plan to generate more leads. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the top tips for using LinkedIn to increase business sales. LinkedIn has become one of the major social networks, with over 360 million members worldwide, and is, in fact, arguably the social network for businesses. More and more salespeople are using LinkedIn as their primary source for generating new leads. If you're looking for a way to turbocharge your sales, here are some of the top tips for using LinkedIn to increase your sales. Never miss a chance to connect. Your contacts are the currency of LinkedIn. If your contacts are predominantly friends, family, and old school pals, then you have some work to do. Your first-level contacts open up a path to a wide variety of second and third-level connections. This is how you can scale your network. When you meet people online or off, follow the meeting up with a quick connection request. Discover how to map your prospects. You need to know who the decision makers are in a company. Luckily, many people will include which team they're in, which office they work at, and what projects they're currently working on right in their profile. With a bit of detective work, you can build a picture of who you need to talk to, what they're like, and what they've worked on before. This can help you create a clearer picture of who you'll need to influence to make the sale. Unlock a smarter way to search. With LinkedIn's advanced search, you can locate people by company, title, location, and keyword. Subscribe to a paid account, and you can add seniority level and company size as well. You can dig deep and identify critical individuals quickly by mixing the different filters. Learn what's going on in your prospect companies. As any good salesperson knows, change creates opportunities. People join, people leave, and companies make big announcements. Any of these changes can create a good reason for you to get in touch and offer help. Following your prospect companies through LinkedIn will make it easy for you to stay up to date with what's happening and help you spot new opportunities. While LinkedIn isn't able to make a sale for you, you can gain a substantial advantage over your competitors when you use it intelligently. With the power of LinkedIn, you can obtain a crucial edge that can translate into increased sales.